This particular link gives you the ability to access actionable resources that will allow you to progress your ability to work with this material in a tangible, practical sense. So here is a link to the most recent policy adjustments, and I've provided this here because I have to send these materials off for accreditation by the Law Society, and no sooner I'd finished this, we came across the Chief Executive's address and there are adjustments. So they are all available on this link. And then the actual presentation slides that I'm going to be taking you through today are available on this link. And then each of the visa types that we're going to be going through have all got an associated PDF with actionable links included that will enable you to go on to see the other elements of our websites that will, as I say, add a significant additional amount of value to your ability to work with these materials. So rather than being sort of flat, one-dimensional, just on a PDF with no actionable links, these materials will, for example, if we click, let's say, Travel Pass, you click this one, it will then bring you to this, which you can see in your own PDF. But then here you'll find that there are additional links that will enable you to go through the conversion of the theoretical into the practical. These are obviously all self-explanatory. But if we were to click Shenzhen Shuttle, you'll see that produced here a video that speaks to those folks who would seek to extend their visitor visa by heading off to China and coming back the same day, going to Macau and coming back the same day, and what that entails. So all throughout the presentation, you'll be able to access these resources and then be able to get all the next level information that will allow you to, as I say, convert the theoretical into the practical.